Class 4 EVS Topic Soil.
After discussion on the topic, what is soil, how is it formed, and what is its importance for living beings, now let us discuss about layers of soil. Soil has different layers. To understand this, let us do one activity. For this, we need an empty glass, some pebbles, soil, mixture of clay and sand, and organic matter. Organic matter means leaves and twigs which decay and mix with soil to form a rich soil known as humus. First of all, we will put some pebbles in the glass. These pebbles represent broken pieces of rocks and minerals. After this, I will add soil. This is mixture of clay and sand. This represents second layer, that is subsoil, and pebbles represent bedrock. That was the third layer. And after this, I will add this organic matter. Organic matter, it includes twigs and leaves, represents the topmost layer of the earth's surface, that is known as topsoil. After that activity, let us learn about the layers of soil. Soil has different layers. The topsoil is the topmost layer of soil. It is closest to the surface, and it mainly consists of leaves and twigs. These leaves and twigs, which decay and mix with soil to form a rich soil known as humus, it is on the top. This topsoil provides plants with essential nutrients for their growth. Below this is the second layer. The second layer from the surface, known as the subsoil, contains very little humus. The soil in this layer is not as fine as the topsoil. Below this is the third layer. The third layer from the surface consists of weathered big rocks and is known as the bedrock.
Now let us discuss about the soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Soil erosion is the removal of most fertile top layer of the soil. What are the factors that are responsible for soil erosion? There are two main factors that are responsible for soil erosion are: number one is water, number two is wind. As you can see in the picture also, water flowing through the ground carries away the topmost layer of the soil. Floods are also the main cause behind soil erosion. The other agent that is responsible for soil erosion is the wind. Wind picks up the finer soil particles and takes it to the other location. During storms, the heavy wind takes away the bigger soil particles to a distant place, and that causes soil erosion. Though soil erosion is a natural process and may take millions of years, but erosion of soil has increased due to excessive human activities. Some of these includes construction of buildings for residential and commercial use and clearing of land for farming. So, what is the harmful effect of soil erosion? Soil erosion decreases crop yields by up to 50%. This is a major risk to food security. Soil erosion has affected the whole world. It is the need of the hour to conserve the soil. But what is soil conservation? Let me explain you. Soil conservation is the protection of soil from erosion and other type of deterioration. so as to maintain soil fertility and productivity. There are many ways to conserve the soil. Let us discuss about them one by one. Number one is making bunds. Small earthen barriers provided in agricultural lands with slopes to prevent water from running off and thus prevents soil erosion. Number two is crop rotation. But what is crop rotation? Growing different crops every season in rotation so that the soil can replenish its nutrients is called crop rotation. Number three is making embankments. In this, an artificial bank is raised above the immediately surrounding land to redirect or prevent flooding by rivers, which further prevents soil erosion. Number four is terrace farming. You know the meaning of terrace farming. Step by step farming done in the hilly areas is known as terrace farming. Here, cultivation is done on a hill where several terraces are cut into the hillside. This slows down the speed of water and prevents soil from washing away. So, remember, dear students, soil is a precious natural resource and it is our duty to conserve it for keeping our environment healthy. Thank you.